Hey guys, it's Taylor here, and today I'm going to be doing a Jamalidays in July giveaway. I will be giving away these glitched festive lights, and I know it's not the greatest item, but it's still a glitched item that not many people have. Like, I guess several people have them, but not as many people have them as people have spikes, for example. So in my opinion, it's still pretty a good item, right? To enter this giveaway, it's actually pretty simple. You must 1. Subscribe to my channel, 2. Like this video, and 3. Comment your username and status down below in the comments. But one thing I don't want you to do is don't comment a reason. This will not help you at all. Just don't comment a reason. I have no sympathy for people who say they get scammed, because a lot of them actually weren't. Even if you weren't scammed, just like, don't say it. It really won't help, because I'm going to be using a random generator anyway, okay? So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enter this giveaway, then you could win Glitched Festive Lights, so that's great. It ends on Friday, July 8th, a week from today, so enter soon, guys.